Oh, fucking boy, let's fucking go. Okay, so down here in the system index, we have added the rule geometry system, and it is chronologically 47. In the top level constant macros, we have the explosive power constants for glow sticks, spark pins, laser boxes, jacks bombs, and box bombs. In material display names, we haven't changed anything, but I just realized that we have a section right here, G16 for geometry of 16 different values, and then display name geometry. This lookup table here is where we want to put the display names for stuff. So just noting this. In the illegal stuff section, these are monkey wrench macros. We're not going to use P16 for power level. We're going to use E for explosive force. In rule geometry, we have different constants. So this is V16 converted to kind of like an identifier, right? So this is just a weird kind of self-documenting way to say that, hey, you know, value 7 for V16 is a ladder purple type. 8 for V16 is a falling marble type. So this is just for documentation purposes to codify this. Down here is a little scale of different explosive force powers, and we're going to assert that different materials have these different strengths, right? So you can pause here to read that. Okay, so here are the different strengths of different materials. The nothing tile has no strength. The light fixture materials are stronger than spark pins, so spark pins can't break them. Soil is weaker than lasers. Lasers can destroy this. The purple type is weaker than the Jax bombs, so all bombs can destroy this material type. The falling type is very strong and cannot be destroyed by any explosive currently in the game. God materials are maxed out, destroyed by nothing. The combustible materials can be destroyed by the spark pins because they're weaker than the spark pins, so spark pins can ignite them. This is display name constants, and I realized that we're not going to make these because we already have a lookup table, so these are monkey wrench macros here. Okay, so down here is the data section for RULGEOM. Down here is the function section, and it's just stubbed in, right? So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get hold of me are down here. Like and subscribe.